Another copy key is making sure it's readable. Um, you want to aim at least for eighth grade level or below. Lots of people say aim for fifth. If you can aim for fifth grade, that's great. The Hemingway app, if you're familiar with the Hemingway app, it's a free app and you just paste your paragraph or whatever in there and it'll tell you, and it'll even highlight like what the reasons for it being like higher grade level. So it'll say like you have too many, adjectives, or and it'll highlight each one. Or they have certain words that are, high grade level words, so they'll highlight it for you, and then you can fix it. So I can say something, and it sounds really good versus putting it in like a dumbed down version, but this goes back to being clear.